Hello guys, this is Anastasia and I'm showing you one more house for tonight, for today. And this house is located in a very quiet street. You can see what's going down. And I'm going up. Do you like the house? No? Okay. You say it's not a good house. It needs a lot of work, so it has been in the market for a while and I have been looking and I just never had the chance to go. Wow, it's nice. It's nice from outside, huh?
Yeah.
And it has a really nice patio or whatever you call it. Okay, just let's take a peek inside.
Yeah, peek.
Peek? That's it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I got it.
Thank you. We are still having this coronavirus. Do you like the chandelier? It's really interesting. Okay. I like the floor. It's not wibbling.
Nice table.
Ooh. Yeah. Beauty. What's this beauty is going for, Kim?
29.
29.
29.9.
29.9. Some holes in the walls. Some problem upstairs. And they call this sink kitchen. Do you like it? Have you seen a sink like this?
Yeah. That's
Ever?
A farmhouse sink. And
Farmhouse?
Yep. And that's very expensive.
Really?
Yes.
Why is that?
Because it's a farmhouse and it's deep
Okay.
and everything. Well, yeah,
Oh, I don't know.
people pay money for that.
Okay. I wouldn't. Okay. Nice green color. Why do you say it needs a lot of work?
It does.
How many bedrooms?
I didn't go upstairs yet.
Okay, this is number 1, right?
Yeah, I don't know. Oh, that's how you get upstairs.
That's how we get upstairs. Okay.
You good?
Yep. How long it has been on the market?
Ooh.
For a while. I
Yes.
saw it for some times.
Yeah, it's been around for a while.
Do you need some exercise equipment? In case if you do.
Yeah, overweight.
Cute, it's not bad. I don't know why you're like... Depends how many bedrooms.
That's one.
And it has a bathroom right here, okay. Some light paint. Antique showers. Just 2 or more? Oh my god, look at this huge one. 2. Another one?
Another stair.
3. Okay, am I paranoid? Is it the second one? It
Yeah,
was the same one on the first floor.
Yes.
Okay, we have 2 antique
2 antique.
things.
That's $20,000.
1, 2, 3 right there. Ooh. Okay,
You just
I'm just going.
adventurous. You just go.
I'm just going. Yeah, it's gonna be another one right here. Whew. It is hot here. Okay,
Alright, come on.
let's go. Let's go down. I'm good. I'm good. Thank you. Okay, so 3 bedrooms here, right? 1, 2, 3, second floor, and how many in the first floor?
1, like a 4 bedroom.
Yeah.
This is 32. What's your stuff?
There is the door right here, so
Yes.
don't step on it. Okay. This is the living room, right?
Yeah, that's good.
This is another room.
Yeah, just 3.
One. This is living room, this is bedroom. It's gonna be like 5.
Oh.
Right? What about this one?
You gonna say 6?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yep. It doesn't smell good.
No, that's not.
It doesn't have kitchen.
It doesn't have a kitchen.
What? Oh, this is a sink that's going as a kitchen, right?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, this you called. We have a kitchen. Do you think it's a kitchen?
More expensive.
What's with all? I mean, pipes for gas, for I don't know. Probably electrical stove.
No, gas right there behind you.
Yep. Okay. And one more room here. And we cannot find the basement. Probably we're gonna need to get back to this one with my honey because I think he would be interested. Thank you guys. If you like this property, let me know. I'm gonna post an address.